Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Switzerland, and the link and coupon will be in the description. Open description and click on link eSIM and open voyafly.com Switzerland, or open in your website and write voyafly.com and click on this and click on this and open this page and scroll down the service number 1 for eSIM. Right, and choose data type and unlimited or fixed. Choose a speed plan, light, plus or premium. I recommend plus or premium. Right, and select your days 10, 3, 5, 7, 10, 20, 25 or 30 days. I'm select 30 days and scroll down and click on buy it now. Alright, and click on this discount code at write Rome Tips and click on apply. Yes, it's a good price, and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM, or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on buy now. And open new page and and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code and activation instruction. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.